Hey everyone, we are excited to show you this fantastic floor plan by HHHunt Homes, The King. This brand new construction single-family home floor plan is just over 2,400 square feet and can offer up to 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Plus, you can choose a 2-car or 3-car garage. Let's take a look. The King is a perfect place for entertaining. The large open floor plan and natural light provide a bright and inviting space for gathering with friends and family. With plenty of room for everyone, you are sure to have a memorable time. Plus, there is plenty of room for a dining room table. Just think about all the memories that will be made. How about this amazing kitchen? You have so much space to work with. With this much counter space and cabinetry, you can cook, bake, and store your kitchen essentials in style. And the large pantry is a great addition, providing extra storage for all your ingredients and snacks. You deserve to enjoy your beautiful kitchen. The first floor of this home is comfortable and very functional, and it includes access to the garage. For this model, we opted to make it fit 3 cars, which is perfect for the automotive hobbyist. The flex space will be perfect for setting up an office or using it as an optional bedroom, and the powder room will be convenient for guests. Upstairs has an incredible amount of space with additional bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a laundry center. The large closets and additional storage spaces make it perfect for all of your needs. The King offers a loft space or an additional sitting area in the primary suite. As you can see, we have set it up as a sitting area, which offers a quiet refuge for hobbies or reading. The primary suite is a perfect place to relax and unwind after a long day. Enjoy the privacy and comfort of your private bathroom and large walk-in closet. This gives you ample space for all of your belongings. This brand new home is backed by our new home warranty. This warranty offers peace of mind, meaning you can spend more time enjoying your new home.
It is easy to see why the King is one of our most sought-after floor plans at HHHunt Homes. You can learn more about this floor plan at hhhunthomes.com. HHHunt, because it's how you live that matters.